మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. యెహోవా నా మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. అనీతి వస్త్రమెడలించెను యేసునాథు రక్తమున ముంచెను. అనీతి వస్త్రమెడలించెను యేసునాథు రక్తమున ముంచెను. వినూత్న యత్నమిదను నీ ఎన్నడు గనన్ వినన్ ప్రేమ నాకు చూపెను. యెహోవా నా మురళాలించెను తన మహా
Joy Jovi of classes extend a very hearty and warm welcome to you all on the auspicious occasion of the 18th Independence Day of India. We all are honored to have our chief guest, Madam Father Joy Kurtadi. For the warm and grateful words of Master Joel. Be the change that you wish to see in the world, said by Mahatma Gandhi. What is an athletic citizen? It is just hosting the flag or it's something more? To answer this question through music, dance and drama, the students of class 6, 4 and 1 have prepared a special musical dance on how to be an authentic citizen. This performance will show us our duties, keeping our surroundings clean and respecting all religions.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेशे
Hello, Amma? Yes, I ate. Please take your medicines on time. Don't worry about me. As long as your prayers are with me, no bullets can touch me.
Hey, little champ, did you complete your homework? Good. And yes, tell all your friends proudly. My brother protects India. When you say that, it feels like the biggest medal for me.
Guys, look at this. I have been scrolling for 1 hour. Dance reel, prank reel, breakup reel, food challenge. It just never ends.
You are right. Reels have become our daily life. Sometimes they make us laugh. Sometimes they teach us something. But most of the time, they just steal our real life.
Opened Instagram for 5 minutes yesterday.
Then,
Look at the clock. It was 3 hours later.
you didn't scroll reels. You traveled through time.
Independence Day is coming in 2 days. Instead of just watching reels all day, why don't we make one? Let's make a reel that reminds everyone how precious our freedom is.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய் ஹிந்த். தாயகம் காத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய் ஹிந்த். என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது, என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது, காந்தி மகான் வந்த கண்ணிய பூமி இது. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய் ஹிந்த். தாயகம் காத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Guys, come here. Our reel got only 57 views and just 3 likes. 1 comment. It says nice.
Wait. look at this. My friend posted a reel where he is fighting with his roommates, shouting and throwing a chair. 5 lakh views. It's trending.
We made a reel to make people feel proud of India. But people are more interested in watching a fight.
I have understood the formula of today. If you save a tree, you get 20 likes. If you fall from the tree, you get 20 million views.
Why disrespecting become viral? Disrespecting parents for pranks, ignoring teacher for views, damaging public property for likes. What message are we sending?
If we keep going like this, what kind of India will our children get?
Social media has the power to influence millions. So let's use it for something good. Let's change the trend.
We have to do something.
Why don't we contact our teacher? A teacher and a student can change the nation.
Hello? Ma'am? We are your students, now serving for the nation.
Excellent. Keep doing good through your reels. Try to make awareness among the young minds.
Our teacher is right, but how can we reach thousands of people?
Everyone is on social media today.
Exactly. Since social media is the trend now, let's use it for presenting good speeches, drama, and dances to make awareness among the people.
Respected principal, honorable chief guest, beloved teachers, and my dear friends, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. We are celebrating 79 years of independence on 15th August 1947. After nearly 200 years of British rule, India became free. This freedom was not easy. It is the result of the sacrifice of Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Jawaharlal Nehru, and lakhs of unknown heroes who gave their lives for Tiranga. Friends, what is the meaning of independence today? Independence does not only mean hoisting the flag and singing the patriotic songs. Real independence means to keep our country clean, to respect all the regions, to help the needy, to follow the rules of our country, and study hard to make India proud. Today's theme, how to be an authentic citizen, reminds us of the same. An authentic citizen is one who performs his duties before asking for his rights. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. Let us dream of an India which is clean, developed, and united. On this day, let us take 3 pledges. We will not waste our freedom. We will respect our constitution. We will keep our nation first, always and forever. Let us be the generation that makes India a Vishwaguru again. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Let us show the real problem that our country faces today.
सर जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा शक दे इंडिया शक दे इंडिया शक दे इंडिया शक दे इंडिया आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
Duty calls.
We will protect India at any cost.
Okay, dear ones, you carry on. Students, please watch how soldiers protect our country.
दुश्मनों ने हमला बोल दिया है
माँ
ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है
He left his family to protect millions of families. He faced bullets to protect us. And what are we doing with that freedom? Scrolling, liking, sharing, and wasting our precious time. We always complain. What has happened to our country? But we always forgot to ask, what am I doing for my country? We must fight the enemies such as laziness, corruption, pollution, violence, and ignorance within us.
Independence is not merely the freedom to do what we want. It is the responsibility to do what is right. Our soldiers are guarding the borders. Now, who will guard the values of India?
We will! If I obey the laws, I strengthen my society. If I protect public property, I protect my nation. If I use technology wisely, I build the India for tomorrow. If I help someone in need, I become a true Indian.
Freedom was won with blood. freedom was protected with sacrifice. Now freedom must be preserved through responsibility. Don't just celebrate India. Don't just post about India. Don't just speak about India. Live for India. Work for India. Build India. Because the future of India is not somewhere far away. The future of India is in our hands.
It is a message to every one of us. A good leader inspires us to believe in our nation and in ourselves. Today, we are fortunate to have with us a very inspiring personalities as our chief guest, Reverend Father Joy Kurtadi. For your patriotic address, let's work and patriotic dance.
सारा जहां देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं।